So welcome again to this class. In this process, I will take you on a process to update your bank account. You go here. This is the process on how you can link your bank account to Amazon. So once Amazon pays you, you receive it from your account. From there, you withdraw it to your local bank account. You come to this add a bank account. You click there. Once you click there, I'm going to use a United Kingdom my euro. You click there. Please, if your own is the US account, you need to follow it up successful. Account owner name Samuel, a date, the account types, check account, the IBN. So what I need to do is I will go to copy the IBAN number so that I won't make a mistake. What I will do is I come here, IBAN number, click on, then copy it. I come here, sorry, I paste it. Then the BIC code, I'll still need to go and get it. BIC code, I copy it. The BIC code, this is what they need. Okay, you click on add. You click here. Have you seen? Click on add. Tell us about your bank. Have you seen? Everything has moved direct. So you come here to complete this tax information. You click on here. You click off save and continue. You click on save and continue. Let's move to complete the tax. Network. Okay. Individual. Are you a US citizen? No. Are you attending? No. Please just follow me up direct. Full names. I'm a Canadian citizen. Please be sincere here. You choose Nigeria. Come here and choose Nigeria. Have you seen? Everything is intact. Your team. Please, this taxpayer identification number, you are going to use your NIN. But as for me, I'm not going to use my NIN. I will need to go to my email to search for my team because I already have a team number. I have it already. I need to do is come here to get it. Let me just copy it. Come here, then paste it. No. Come here. Come here. Let's go to sign a signature, which is my full name. Please just follow me up, save and preview. Have you seen? Everything is correct. Have you seen? Submit the form. Have you seen? Yeah, this is how you can link your bank account on Amazon and verify the stuff. So you go back again. Now see, let's go to my bookshelf. So you come to your bookshelf. I can now start to publish on Amazon. You see, everything is updated. So one of the things that we are going to look next is how to remove Amazon 30%. So let's go here. Once you got paid, Amazon will remove 30% from your account. Have you seen this 30% now? I'll take you to the process on how you can remove it. So let's save this. Have you seen this, how to update your tax information and your bank account?